guys, it's me Justin. We're back with another video, and today we are just gonna do like another daily vlog, and we might go to this 9-hour race thing. That's like, but it's only qualifying today, so it's not the main race. So we're gonna go there maybe, but only maybe. So yeah, I guess let's get this video started.
She think I'm a player, she keep running back though, only 'cause I pay.
We're gonna have some leftover wings, the 3 that are left. My brother left over. So yeah. So now I'm currently gonna start eating. So I don't want to show this because you guys told me that it wasn't one of the best spots. So I guess I'll just see you when I'm about to swim. So okay, my dad literally just said we're going somewhere to watch some racing. Didn't expect it. That's why I'm like kind of rushing. So yeah. So I'll see you in the car because got my socks. See you in the car.
One hour later.
So we've just arrived, walked in a bit. There's a bit of cars racing, as you can hear. It was unexpected, I didn't know we were coming. So, yeah.
What number?
We haven't gone in yet, we're waiting for people, and then we're gonna go in. So like there's everything, we're not in yet. So we're gonna go in just now, so I'll let you know when we're in. So I've been here for about an hour, I guess, and this is VIP place. I wasn't allowed to go in, and there's the racetrack, so I can actually see the racetrack from here. There. That's the racetrack, so I can see the racetrack from here. And then if you go a bit further up, it's the main area, just behind there. There's like a bit more racetrack there. Not sure if you can see it properly, but yeah, that's the main racetrack. So my dad's gone in without me, so I'm gonna make like a montage, so do the montage. Racetrack, and it's a big storm coming, and so we've left We watched a bit of the qualifying because the main race isn't today, it's tomorrow. We watched a bit of qualifying. We're on the way home. There's a massive storm coming, and I'll let you know when we're back at home. But there's a massive storm coming. So I'll see you when I'm back at home. I just got home, and yeah, so I'm just gonna say I'm not sure if they're gonna do anything exciting today. So I'm just gonna end the video today and be like, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, please smash the red button down below and give it a like, please. Give it some love and share it. Share it with your mates. Share it with your I don't care who you share it with, just share it, please. I need your help, guys. I need your help on this one. So thank you for watching.